So RGC Senior Research Fellow Scheme was only launched 4 years ago. It has been regarded as one of the most respected recognitions in Hong Kong. I feel thrilled to be one of the awardees this year. The support of the scheme would gradually facilitate the progress of basic research in our lab. Our lab has been successful in translational research after we have identified a novel drug target. We have our first drug candidate for amblyopia in the investigational new drug stage, so-called IND stage. The second candidate identified as an IND for tinnitus. And the third candidate for depression is in the process for the IND stage. Still, basic research is the foundation for discovering new targets for drug development. Our team discovered the long-term memory encoding switch chemical, cholecystokinin CCK, in the brain some 10 years ago. Now, we understand that the medial temporal lobe is where memory switching CCK is produced. Specifically, in this project, we are researching how attention facilitates remembering. The anterior cingulate of the prefrontal cortex is a high cognitive center related to short-term memory and attention. We understand that the attention from the prefrontal cortex helps us hear and see better, so there are direct projections to the auditory and the visual cortices. We predict that the prefrontal cortex indirectly facilitates auditory visual memory encoding, so there are projections to the medial temporal lobe, facilitating the release of the memory encoding switch CCK in the auditory and the visual cortices. As the potential significance, this project may lead us to find the crucial links between the neuronal circuits and the autism, or learning difficulties, the primary symptoms in attention-deficient children. With the funding, we will hire an experienced young researcher and a few research assistants and PhD students to work together. We can also use this opportunity to train a young researcher to become a lecturer. The replacement lecturer will teach 2 subjects at postgraduate level. I would like to involve the lecturer in training PhD and MPhil students. All the members at the postdoc level or above will have the opportunity to work with PhD students for their experiment designing, execution, data analysis, and manuscript writing. They will lead discussions for new research proposals. All the elements are crucial for becoming independent principal investigators. The key elements for young researchers to succeed is their enthusiasm. They must learn to like what they are doing. Learning to enjoy is neuroscience. As an RGC Senior Research Fellow, I'm responsible for demonstrating to my team members my passions for science. Persistent enthusiasm comes from the societal relevance of our long-term goals of scientific research interests. Our team have several drug candidates for brain disorders. The success of these drug candidates will enormously enhance the confidence of our young team members. Lastly, I appreciate RGC's support of the project and my research career in Hong Kong.